Hi guys, PJ here, back again doing another car how-to guide. This time we're on a Suzuki Swift. This is a 2010 model and I'm going to quickly show you how to remove the factory fitted radio and also the part numbers required if you're going to fit an aftermarket double DIN radio. So wiring harness adapter, fascia adapter, etc. First things first, this radio is not particularly hard to get out, it's just rather hidden. We're going to go to the glove box. And what we're going to do is basically remove the glove box. So what you do is flex the sides in slightly, it pops down, and that gives you access to up and under here. Like so. So there's your tabs that you flex in each side, and then you simply pull to remove, pop it on the floor, and we are looking right up here, and this is going to be really hard for the camera to focus on, but we have, hang on a minute, let me just see if I can get some illumination on. There we go. A bolt we need to remove right up there on the side of the radio, and it's to remove the whole assembly. So we've got one of these this side. I'm just going to undo that now. There we go. Just watch the bolt doesn't drop down behind the dashboard, so I'm ready to grab it. Next up, we're on the driver's side and we're going to pop this panel off here, which is on clips. There we go. Just pop that all the way around, like so. And then, again, struggling with the camera, guys, but there's another 10mm bolt right up there to get out. The next thing to do is come back around to the passenger side, pop screwdriver up between here and here, and just push, and you'll hear it click. And that releases the clips that are down the edge. And then obviously work your way along until you get the driver's side to pop as well. Once you've popped it, a bit out of focus here guys, the sun's shining on, it's at a funny angle, I do apologise. You're then free to move the whole assembly forward. Now it's steel at the back of here, so I highly recommend you cover all your heater and your gear lever with something soft, maybe cardboard or a rag or something, just to stop it scratching it. So you're going to pull it forward and then on the back disconnect all the clips. I'm just going to quickly cover what bits and bobs you need to fit a double DIN radio in. Right, camera back in focus. There's one of two different ones for this particular car, and you won't know what yours is, sadly, until you've removed the radio. Yes, that is a bit of a bind, I know. But we have CTSS Z001.2AA, Suzuki Swift Grand Vitara look, up to 2011, and that's for your steering wheel controls as well. So in other words, it plugs it in, it gives it power, and it makes your steering wheel controls work with the aftermarket radio. The alternate one, which does exactly the same thing and looks incredibly much the same, Suzuki Swift there, Grand Vitara, etc., CTSS Z001.2. So there's your two part numbers, look. It's one of these two, and like I say, you won't know until you've pulled it out. The other thing you're going to need is a fascia kit, and here we have installation kit for a 2DIN. Now 2DIN meaning double DIN, meaning the big radios. This is by Connect 2, as are the cables that I've just shown you, so you can find them on their website or on eBay, Amazon, that type of place. This is CT23SZ02A. Now in the box, do your magical unboxing here so you can see what you're going to get. There we go. Metal frame for the radio, a cage. You're not going to need the one that comes with the radio because it's the different size, okay? Mounting brackets that you screw onto the side of the radio, make it slide into the frame. Trim surround to make it look tidy when it's in. And of course, there we go, big old chunk of plastic that's going to go here to make the hole the right size for the new radio. Right, let's go ahead and finish removing the radio. Now there's what you should be left with, just the plug, and like I say, it's got a squeezy tab on it, so you just squeeze down on it and pull to remove it from the radio. The bayonet aerial, which you just pull out, and the back of your radio. There you go, you've unplugged it from here and here. There's the whole assembly. It's a big old beast, this one. It's quite a weighty thing, and this lip here is what you don't want resting here and scratching anything, so just bear that one in mind, guys. Yeah, one more last thing, guys, before I wrap this video up. I'm just going to quickly show you how the side clamps go on the replacement radio that you might be fitting. So in other words, if we come to the radio, here's our radio. Let's go to the side. There we go. And basically, you put the plastic edge on right up to the slider here. It's got lugs that lock in. Then you put your plate over and you put your screws into. You'll notice various holes that don't line up, but you'll get two that do line up, so that this spring clip is still free. Once you've got that on both sides, you basically, when you slide this into the new cage, it will spring back and lock into place. So that's how you fit the side clamps. Oh yeah, quick point. Just took me about 20 minutes actually to move the old radio. Bear in mind the back of them are razor sharp, and yeah, you end up slitting your finger open and dripping blood everywhere. So try not to do that. Guys, that's it for this video. I haven't got time, unfortunately, to show you how to install the entire thing start to finish. I'm on short on time today, so it's just going to be this. Hopefully you get the gist from there and you can get the radio in, job done. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you again next time. Bye for now.